Hi Mom, quick question. What's the name of that rom-com where she's like, it's just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her?
I think it's called Notting Hill. Why? Doesn't matter.
So I've moved to London. No, I wish. I'm just here for the month doing an acting course. If you've watched my previous vlogs, you would already know. But yeah, I got here late last night. I got to my apartment. I love it so much. I can't even... Let me give you a quick tour. This is the kitchen. I have a washing machine there, a fridge, and literally a dishwashing machine. A dishwasher there. And I have a fire stove top. Do you know how happy I am about this? I hate electric stove tops. I mean, look at this. It's so beautiful. Then I have my dining table here. I just did a huge shop from Sainsbury's. They don't have lentils. How do they not sell lentils? Anyway, different story. But yeah, got a bunch of stuff. This is that. I have a literal view of the road. I'm not going to show you exactly where I am, but it's so weird because the glass is like, oh, I don't know how you call it. Not tempered glass, but like from the outside, no one can see me. Like it's just a mirror, but I can see everyone, so I just people watch constantly. This is the bedroom. You climb up these steps and then, oh, my little cozy bed. Over here, I have literally my own little jungle. Like, so beautiful. I already unpacked because I was so excited not to have to live from a suitcase like I have been for the 2 months that I've been here. So I just like put everything everywhere. I have a TV, I have a couch, I have a mirror. I already put my photo booths from Paris. This is actually an Airbnb, so you guys will be able to stay here too. I'm going to share where I'm staying once I leave. It is currently 12:30. I mean, what? No, 11:30. I was like freaked out for a second. I have my first day of acting class today.
Yourself to me, baby. Got what I'll ever need. I know deep in me there's everything. What if I trust myself endlessly?
I'm just laying in bed. I love that this bed is like a loft. Something about sleeping high up always just really like calms me down. Yeah, it felt so good to go to acting class. I was so nervous beforehand. I literally went to a cafe and drank a matcha and had to like put my AirPods in and play like a calming classical music playlist because I was like, my heart was just beating so fast. It made me realize that like I haven't been nervous in such a long time. Like I feel like in high school there was always like, I don't know, presentations or like random things to like push me to do things outside of my comfort zone, but like I haven't done anything for the past 2 years, which I talked about in my last vlog. I think in the past I've like definitely gone into acting courses and like just courses in general, like just wanting to be good at it straight away. Like I have an expectation of where I should be at, which is just silly because you go to courses to learn and to get good at it and to know how to do it. And so I feel like with this acting course I've just really gone into it just like really hoping to, yeah, like hone in on those skills and like really like learn how to act. And I feel like coming from that place just like really let me just have fun and like not stress too much about anything, because I was just like, as much as it's nerve-wracking to like do it and do something new, especially in front of other people and like filming it and everything, it was such a good experience to just like do like a monologue and then be able to watch yourself back and really like look at it with an eye of like, okay, where can I get better, like how will I do this next time and stuff, instead of like, yeah, just being like, oh, this isn't good enough or blah blah blah.
basically, what I'm saying is I know one day you're gonna need me where you wanna go. One day you're gonna need me where you wanna go. Help you find that road.
I just walked around Portobello Market for a bit. I kind of went a bit late, so everything was like shutting. But I went into an op shop and I found these pants. I don't know how to show you these, but they're just like very low-waisted, loose kind of pants. They are too long on me though because I have such short legs. So I'm gonna cut them right now, so you can watch me cut them. Bonding DIY moment. These are what pants look like. Are they cute? I can't tell. Guys, I'm so happy. Like, I feel so, just like, that feeling when you can't stop just like jumping. I don't know, it's so weird because I'm like by myself, so like I have no one to share it with, but I'm just like, oh, just so content.
Spread with silk, but the marbles were stiff. He showed me my face, so I loosened my A shadow came down, told me I lived.
I'm just trying to.
I'm thinking of you more. About all the
I love this road, like looking at with
a stranger convinced me to kiss with mine.
You get out of
it. He sang me a song, but it didn't. Said an angel came down, gave him a melody.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to stop. That's so good. Rice paper rolls in London. I haven't been very good at vlogging everything just because I feel like when I'm doing stuff with people and like going out and stuff, I just forget to film, and I also just like want to be present and not like film people constantly. I've always been that girl that like just fantasizes about her future so much. For as long as I've known myself, I like daydream about life, but specifically my 20s. Like, I have fantasized about this time in my life so much, like being in a city, meeting new people, being creative, working my career, but like falling in love and going on dates and just the classic romantic comedy. Like, I am a romantic comedy girl. I can't help it. I know, it's cringe. It's not what I want to tell you guys. It's not. But it's just me. I think for a while there, I was just feeling a bit like, not disappointed, but just like, I guess just kind of confused. Because it was like, I'm in my 20s, but it was like nothing that I thought would happen was happening. Like, I was still living in my hometown, doing the same stuff, with the same people. And I was like, where is my like Carrie Bradshaw Sex in the City era, you know? And I don't know, there's something about being here right now that I literally feel like I'm in a movie. At the beginning of this year, I like made myself a vision board, which I've never done before. Like, I always journal in the new year of like things that I want to happen and my goals and all that, but this year I was like, okay, I'm actually gonna try to like put photos and really envision how I want the year to look like. And it's actually crazy looking back at it and being like, just everything that's like happened has like happened. It's just like, it's wild. So I guess I'm just living out my like rom-com 20s at the moment. I keep getting really sad because I know I'm not here for that much longer and I'm gonna go home, but I know that once I go home it's gonna be a really good time as well, and I'm not gonna be the same person that I was, and I'm not gonna slip into old habits. I hope. That's what I'm scared of. But just to know that this is here and that I want to come back, like, I'm just seriously considering moving to Europe next year. Like, I've always talked about it, but like actually being here now, it's just like, I don't know, it just feels right for this time in my life. Like, I feel like I need this. And yeah, I don't know. I'm also just very excited about acting. Like, who knows where it will take me. I'm not really in a phase right now where I'm like, oh my god, I need to be an actress. But at the same time, it would be really cool to have that a part of my job, just because I really enjoy it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm very grateful, and I also know that like I would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. Like, the fact that you guys watch my videos and support me is literally the only reason I can be here working. I sounded so American. Working and yeah, I love you guys so much. Also, I haven't really talked about my jewelry in a really long time, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone that's been buying the necklaces. You guys have been going crazy, and I'm just so grateful because it really is allowing me to like stay here and live here right now. And yeah, I just want you guys to know I love you guys. See you in my next Notting Hill Chronicles.